any analysis of expenditures, what we usually look for in any entity are the sources and uses of funds. So sa uses, mukhang meron na tayo between what we have given to the Supreme Court in the evidence packet at saka dito sa binigay niyo sa amin ngayon, kaya dito sa uses. Ngayon, ang kulang na informasyon sa amin ngayon ay yung sources. Kaya kung maaari, maibigay sa committee ang sources ng mga pondo na pinagpondohan, na nagpondo sa DAP, sa the Disbursement Acceleration Program. What are the monies, where did they came from, how much they were, where they came from, on a yearly basis, how and why were they declared savings para maging available for use under the program that is DAP. So if we could have that is as complete complete a listing as you can give us sana yearly, starting 2000, kasi 2010 ang unang savings yata na ginamit ng DAP, is that correct?
Some parts of 2000.
So kung ano yung sa 2010 na nag-savings, saan ang galing, anong ahensya, anong departamento, at kailan na-deklara na savings yun at bakit na-deklara na savings yun. That would clarify many of the questions that the Senator.
We will do that, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you very much. Our sources and uses naman, hindi naman 1 is to 100.
But so for as long as it's taken in that sense, sir.
Wala naman sources and uses na makikita mo na very direct.
Yes.
Ito na galing pumunta. Ang kailangan lang natin, dahil naibigay, marami na kayong naibigay, between nga yung evidence packet ninyo sa Supreme Court at saka itong binigay ninyo sa amin today. Pero yung sa sources side, wala kami masyadong informasyon. Kaya kung ano yung pera na naging savings na ginamit ng programang DAP, saan ang galing, kailan naging savings at bakit naging savings. That will clarify so many of our questions.
Yeah, with the clarification that we're not looking at a one-to-one.
Maybe the bottom line.
We can do that, Mr. Chairman.
Okay. Kung yun ang naging savings, just to use COA as an example, kung kahit hindi napunta lahat ng savings sa COA, kung ano man ang naging source ng fondong nagamit ng DAP, what agency it came from, what year, and the reason that it was declared savings.
Yes.
We can do that.
I'm sure you have this.
Yes. That's why I made the distinction between the previous incarnations of use of savings. Because in the previous years, what the past administrations would do is to impound appropriations at the end of the year. And that was a practice at the start of the year. So meron ho silang galing doon sa ahensya, and then if the fiscal picture would look good, then they would gradually release appropriations to them.
Mr. Chairman, mahalaga yung date na anong taon na yung savings na yun. Tapos we will then take those sources. I'm sure Secretary Pagkisima has that material ready somewhere. Dahil yan ang sources na pinagagaling ng Department of Finance. Then we will then look at the sources, and then we will then look at the uses. And with that, we will have a better picture kung paano pa talaga ano nangyari sa kumano yung pera.
So directed.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Thank you, Senator Binay.
Thank you, Senator Marcos.